Good afternoon and welcome to the market summary. The UK FTSE 100 finished 0.34% up, closing on 6571 spot 59. As one day remained to raise the debt limit, all eyes were on the US, where Congress were racing to draft a fiscal plan. Whilst this controversy rolled on, the ratings agency had warned of a potential downgrade in the creditworthiness of the US. By the 17th, the US had to raise the $10.5 trillion debt limit or face the risk of default, which would send a shockwave through worldwide markets. Up until now, President Obama had refused to bow to demands from Republicans that they put back Obamacare. However, it is now looking likely that an agreement has been made between the two sides. In the UK, jobless totals fell by 18,000 to 2.49 million for June to August. This now brings the unemployment rate to 7.7%, down from 7.8% in the previous quarter. Mark Carney will be delighted with this figure, and it means we are one step closer to his forward guidance of a rate of 7% for unemployment before interest rates are increased. Onto the markets, where Royal Mail ended their run of gains with a drop of over 2% as Royal Mail workers voted to go on a 24-hour strike on the 4th of November. The Communication Workers Union were hoping to avert the strike, the first in nearly 4 years, but could not agree on an agreement regarding the protection of workers' terms and conditions after the privatisation of the company. In the US, JP Morgan will pay over $100 million in a fine over the losses that were created from the much publicised London Wow, who in total cost the bank around $6 billion in losses. This comes on top of the bank agreeing to pay $920 million over bad trades from both the US and the UK. On the FTSE 100, the biggest gainer of the day was Hargreaves Lansdown, posting a 4.81% gain to follow up a solid gain the previous day after a positive interim statement. This gain comes despite their publicised problems where clients could not access their accounts to deal on Friday because of a sudden surge in traffic to their website. The surge in traffic was accredited to the demanding clients trying to access accounts to view how many Royal Mail shares they had received. IMI also released an interim statement early in the day. That was in line with expectations and the news that Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, had agreed to buy part of the engineer for £690 million. This sent their share price up 1.72%. Biggest loser on the day was Rolls-Royce, falling 2.22%, and Burberry after spending much of the day down due to news being digested following Angela Arendt's departure next spring. They finished flat on the day in the end. Thanks for listening and tune in tomorrow.